welcome back to Elful Deco. A few videos ago we made this beautiful arch mirror. It's a 12-inch mirror, I believe, and it's more for hanging it up on the wall or placing it on a shelf. And if you haven't watched that video already, go check that out after this one, because today we are going to be making compact versions of this, and it's super cute. They're small compact mirrors. The mirrors will go in these slots here, and I have a hexagon version and an arch version. They are double-sided, so both sides look very pretty. And if I was using the mirror, you would see this side. If you were using the mirror, you'd see this side. And I made these with a similar process in a mold. So I will show you how I make these, and then at the end we'll see how it looks with the completed mirrors. Let's get started. Here are the super cute compact mirror molds that we will be using. We have this arch shape and a hexagon shape. They're both from Elful, so if you're going to get these molds, don't forget that there's a discount code for you in the description. Since I love to put flowers in almost all of my pieces, I got these tiny flowers for nail art off Amazon to embed in these mirror molds. These are actually very expensive for how many you get, so if you're looking for these tiny flowers, you'd probably be better off getting more for your money if you spent some time searching on Etsy. And of course, we have to include some paper butterflies and moths from Moth and Myth. They have these really cute micro paper specimens, which is perfect for smaller pieces. For our resin, we have Totobo's high performance resin. It's the slow hardener version. I also have a discount code for resin in the description if you need. We only mixed up a very small amount here because for the first layer we are just pouring the rims. The rims are only 1/8 inch deep and they're not wide at all, so we only need a little bit of resin. Go around the edges to help bring any bubbles up to the surface if needed, and then pop them with a heat gun. Then just go about with your flower placement. Once we are done with our design, we are adding some glitters to this. This glitter mix is from Dreaming of Glitters on Instagram. This is one of their older mixes, but they do have something similar in their shop. I'll link it in the description along with a discount code just for you. I am mixing the glitters into the resin instead of just sprinkling it on top because I had a little bit of resin left over. I usually sprinkle the glitters on my pieces if you've watched my previous videos. That's just so it's more randomly spread out and not too intentionally there, if that makes sense. Once we're done, we'll let this layer set and come back for the second layer. We are doing a total of 3 layers. For the second layer, I am just doing a solid color background, and the arch will have this pretty peach gold from Mayspring, and the hexagon will have a pastel blue background with a bit of shimmer from the White Diamond Effect mica pigment. Before pouring, clean the molds with blue painter's tape if needed. You could see that I had some resin drips in the middle of these molds, so I just used the tape to pick it up. We aren't filling these molds all the way to the top yet because we still have one more layer to go. For this third layer, we are going to decorate the back with these flower stickers. I got these stickers from Michael's a while back, so I am not sure if they still have this in stores. They were on clearance when I got them. These stickers are clear and it feels like plastic, so I just made the assumption that they're waterproof and just stuck them onto the piece. There was no problem with the curing or any of the seeping. For the arch, I felt like it was a little bit empty and didn't want to place another flower, so I am adding this holographic monarch sticker from Moth and Myth. The resin that we are using for this last layer is Totabo's tabletop resin. Once they're fully cured, we can demold them. We added the design on the back to make these double-sided. The back of this compact mirror is so cute. This hollow monarch is just perfect. And look at the front. This is the side you see when you use the mirror. It's so pretty. This peach gold mica is one of my favorite colors. And look at that sparkle from the glitter mix. Okay, let's demold the blue one now. I really love these pink flowers on the blue color. I definitely could have done a nicer placement, but it's still cute, right? And look at the mirror side. I love all the blues here, and this glitter mix is like a universal mix that goes well with pretty much everything. It's just beautiful. We'll add a top coat to the rims of these mirrors and then see the completed piece. I mostly do my top coats off camera now because I have a separate tutorial for it. So if you need to see how I do my top coats, you can check that out on my channel. These are the mirrors for these compact mirror molds. It has an adhesive in the back, so you can attach the mirror to the piece. They also come with a film to protect the mirrors, but it's not shown here because these are kind of my display mirrors. If you purchase my molds, you get 3 free mirrors with it, and you can also purchase additional mirrors if needed. So here are how the 2 pieces look like with the mirrors attached. It fits perfectly and totally completes the piece. Look at how cute this arch is. Do you prefer this compact version or the larger arch mirror? I do have both in my shop available if you want either of them, but let me know down in the comments below what you prefer so I can offer more options as well. And look at this hexagon mirror. All this blue is so pretty. Do you think I need a larger hexagon mirror too? Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed making these compact mirrors with me. If you did, please like and subscribe, and let me know down in the comments below what you want to see next. I'll see you next time.